Court Uncut, what the people want.
Hey, Judge.
Hi, Greg. What's up, man?
We got a couple cases. First one is Mr. Galindo. He did test dirty. I did submit a mitigation packet today. They are going to review that.
Come up, Mr. Galindo.
His mom's here too as well, if you want mom.
Sure. So we tested him, guys, right?
Yes, sir.
And?
He was something positive for THC.
Still using? I don't understand what don't mean no means no. No means no. How long has it been, Greg? Should the weed have been out of the system or what? When did we order it?
I don't remember. I don't have my iPad on me off the top of my head.
The case has been open since December. We reinstated his bond in February.
It was ordered in December as well.
We ordered you since December not to use, and you're still testing positive. It's unacceptable. I'm now revoking your bond. Goes with you.
Your Honor, let me ask you this. Can you give it a couple of days to see what the state's going to do on the mitigation? He does have asthma. That was an issue last time. He doesn't.
He's been ordered since December.
I understand.
Not to use. And I told you over and over not to use. And I even reinstated your bond once, and you're still testing positive. No, because then,
Well, you're still at Morton Ranch.
am I supposed to feel bad because he's continuing to use, you know?
If it's going to go a certain route and possibly go away, I just ask.
As much as I love you, Greg, if I let him go now, then I'm telling him it's okay for you to do what you're doing. And it's not okay. I've warned you repeatedly not to, and you continue to test positive. He goes with you.
May I ask you what the bond is going to be, Your Honor? Or would you consider a couple of days and then reinstate his bond to where if they do give him a PTI so he can do his?
Absolutely. But he needs to know that we mean business, that we're not here
I understand.
flapping our gums for nothing. Because really, I have already reinstated the bond once, and he's still doing whatever he wants to do. It's unacceptable.
Okay.
So I'm setting the bond at 5,001. Today's Wednesday. We can roll it to, I guess, Monday. And then I'll talk to him to see if he gets the message, and we'll go from there. But
We'll talk in a second.
I'll let him explain to you what we have in mind, but I'm sorry.
Yeah, I know. I know you know, his even caseworkers had given him drug tests and they explained to him why, you know, everyone. He's, I don't know, he's like something, he smells something, so cigar type marijuana thing, and it's like, you know,
Greg, don't. You know what I mean?
I get it, Judge.
Okay.
I will talk to the state. I will talk to mom. I have one other case I need to talk to you
We'll
about.
talk again on Monday.
Yeah, that's fine. I'm here every day.
All right.
So
Thank you so much for coming.
just give me a second. I'll talk to you.
Thank you so much for coming. I appreciate it. And we are too, you know, we really are. It just,
it's gotta be a lesson learned. You know, like I said, I'm grandma, I've been raising him since 3 months in and out of the relationship, so that's kind of. Yeah, so.
Okay.
I have his daughter, I have my granddaughter too that I'm raising, she's 15, so I've had her since NICU. So that,
no,
they're going counseling too for all of that, because they don't know how to let their emotions.
so sorry, but you're doing great. Good job.
You didn't feel that.
I'm behind you. Okay, thanks.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Come on.
I'm here for Francisco Hernandez.
Okay. Did he show up?
Yes, Judge, he's in the jury box.
Okay, what are we doing with Mr. Hernandez?
So he's set for a bond violation hearing. I don't believe that a bond revocation would be appropriate here. The basis of the violation is the drug test that he took on April 14th, which was the drug test that you ordered in court. And if you'll recall, he had a presumptive positive and you issued some new bond conditions. So
Not our first bond violation, is it not?
well, so it is not. There was an earlier one for missing a drug test. However, the only basis for this one is something that the court
Come
already.
on, Mr. Hernandez.
You're right, thumbprint.
So we ordered him not to use, right?
Yes, Judge. But he, with the except, I mean, there is no evidence that he has violated that order after his drug test on the 14th, which you ordered.
Your Honor, the conditions requiring no drugs, no alcohol and testing went into effect in January 2025. Prior to the testing that we conducted in April.
So the conditions went in January.
Yes, Judge, I understand that, but this violation has already been addressed.
Has it?
Franklin University.
I don't know. Anthony has it?
The court addressed it by issuing new bond conditions on the hearing on the 14th after the presumptive positive test came back.
No. So the client failed to report for a drug and alcohol test on 4/7/25.
Yes.
So we brought him in on 4/14 to admonish him and to tell you, hey, don't miss a drug test. When you miss test, that's when we issue warrants. Bad things happen when you do that. So he was ordered the next week to go take a test, and he now tested positive for alcohol. So that's where we are.
Judge,
So we've not addressed it.
I don't believe that's completely accurate. It was not the next week that he was ordered. It was at that hearing. You had him go out and take a drug test on that day.
Is that right?
Judge, the violation that was submitted on April 7th was addressed for admonishment on April 14th. And yes, that was the day that he was sent to submit for testing. And then he had an additional bond violation submitted for being presumptive positive for THC alcohol. And now that was signed to be addressed today, which is what we're addressing.
Mr. Hernandez, I'm going to give you the benefit of the doubt. I've already had to put 2 people in jail now because they continue to use. You are begging for your bond to be revoked. No means no. Doesn't mean I have a party. Doesn't mean I have a graduation. Doesn't mean Jesus came down from earth and asked me to break bread. No means no. Do you understand?
So
We are now at a stage of no tolerance. If you ever miss, if you test positive again, do you understand me? There's no excuse. And I'm going to, are you high right now? You can barely keep your eyes open, Mr. Hernandez. I want to test him again right now.
Yes, sir.
I will test you 50 days from that test. And if you test positive for weed, that tells you that you continue to smoke and it's not going well. Do not use. Do you understand?
So
From this day forward, you test positive. Okay, I'm sending you for a test now.
Send him now.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more crazy court hearings like this one.